Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix office error CAA50021 number of Retry attempts exceeds expectations. Chapter 1. How to fix office error. CAA50021 number of Retry attempts exceeds expectations, disabling antivirus. To start, enter security in the search box. Click on Windows Security. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. After that, deactivate the real-time protection switch. You must click Yes to authorize. Chapter 2. How to fix office error CAA50021 number of Retry attempts exceeds expectations from terminal. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and confirm by clicking Yes. In the terminal, run the on-screen command to unpair the PC. Then with the command on the screen, validate the current state. When you do this, in the search box, enter Tasks. Click on Task Scheduler. In this console, click Task Scheduler Library. Then in Microsoft, open Windows and click on Workplace Join. When you access there, click on Enable, then click on Run. Chapter 3. How to fix office error. CAA50021 number of Retry attempts exceeds expectations, deleting credentials. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Open the Control panel. After that, click on User Accounts and then on Credential Manager. In this new section, go to Windows Credentials. Here, under Generic Credentials, display the user's credential and click Remove. Click Yes to confirm. To complete this process, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.